Today, I would show you some important settings you should enable. First, check whether your mouse adapter is updated or not. For this, go to the Device Manager and check for updates. My drivers are up to date. Let's move to next setting. Increase this bar so that your cursor moves faster. Now, let's move to the related mouse setting. Here, you can increase size and color of your cursor. Now, let's move to second related setting of mouse. Here, in button option you can vary tap speed of your mouse. In pointer option you can select a customized cursor. Here, you will find some cool settings of mouse. Here, set the number of lines scrolled when you scroll mouse wheel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more tech videos.